World Health Organization estimates that nearly 1 billion people worldwide face a critical shortage in access to healthcare. MedLife mobile clinics deliver primary care services to individuals and families who otherwise lack access in Peru, Ecuador, Tanzania, and India. This week, Madripi is partnering with MedLife to support an 8-year-old boy in Ecuador. Hugo Guashpa was born with Down syndrome and a defect that causes too much blood to flow into his heart and lungs, resulting in pulmonary heart disease. This condition could kill Hugo within the year. However, the wait list for the public healthcare system in Ecuador is so long, up to a year itself. To support his immediate but much more expensive private surgery in Quito, your purchase through Madripi will donate $7 per shirt to MedLife's campaign for Hugo. Help MedLife remain by Hugo and his mother's side as they and other impoverished patients just like them strive for healthier, higher quality lives. If you can't purchase this week, you can still make a difference by using social media to share or like right now. Let's put our hearts together and see if we can make Hugo's a little healthier. Thank you for your support of MedLife and Madripi.